Hey guys, it's Jody. Welcome back at CNT Talk Rugged. So today I'm with Babe from Particle Vision, and today we're showcasing about the machine vision applications at the industrial edge. So Babe, can you quickly tell us about what is this application that we're seeing here?
Okay, for this exhibition demo, we are doing a AI bin sorter. Okay, so what this sample program does is it uses artificial intelligence to learn different type of bins. So after learning the different type of bins, okay, when we put it in the vision, the software will determine each bins and count them and put the count of the different type of bins here. So all these are done in real time. Okay, for this real-time process in AI, we need a very high speed and high processing power, and that's why we chose a GPU computer right over here. You can see that the reason we choose CNT is because its ICE PC comes with a high power NVIDIA GPU that is needed for AI.
Right. Thank you so much for sharing that. And if you want to know and learn more about our solution, don't forget to check our website, and see you next time.